Hey, 7th and 8th grade students. Today is Thursday, September the 16th. Okay, we are exactly halfway through the month of September already. It's crazy. Time flies when you're having fun, right? Those of you who aren't here, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everybody's healthy. Hope your families are healthy. Hope everybody's doing okay. Okay, so yesterday we finished page 198 and 199, which is right here. We answered these questions going down, and hopefully you were able to turn those in. Okay, if you're home and you don't have your book, you can always pull it up by going into the student application, and then there's actually a tab for the real book. You can pull that up, and then if you just want to write this on a piece of paper, that would be just fine with me. Okay. All right. So there are ways of doing it, even if you don't have your book. Okay. If you haven't been able to do it, you're welcome to go back. I'm not going to dock you if things are a little bit late coming in. So if you, like I say, if you haven't, I apologize. I always yawn because it's first thing in the morning and I'm still tired. I'm not a great morning person. But as I was saying, um, if you're a little bit late getting these in, that's okay. I will still accept them for full credit. Okay. All right. Today we are working on kind of making meaning. Um, this is kind of continued from what we just read, Chasing Lincoln's Killer. Okay. The key elements or parts that make up an informational text are the people, events, and ideas in the text. The who, what, and why. Okay. So, people are obviously the individuals or groups in a text. The what is the events, what happens in a text. And the why are the ideas, the key concepts in the text. Okay, so we are asked in this lesson to identify key people, events, and ideas from Chasing Lincoln's Killer, organize the text elements, and add others. Okay, so we're looking for the who's, the what's, and the why's. You guys should do this in every single thing that you read. Who, what, and why. Okay. Um, this morning I couldn't sleep. It was about 5 in the morning, and I read an educational article. Uh, and I could tell you the who's, the what's, and the why's of that educational article. Okay. So anyway, just something to think about. All right. Okay, so we've already done this. Okay. All right. So there won't be a do now today. That's okay. We'll we'll spend more time on application and and independent reading. I've also got to do some VPort testing with you guys. So okay. So I want you to go through. We've got Abraham Lincoln, John Wilkes Booth, conflict, fear, Major Rathbone, Booth's escape, Booth's fight with Rathbone, revenge, confusion. Okay, so you need to organize all of these into the people, events, and ideas. Okay, what's the difference in an event and an idea, do you think? An event is like something that actually happened, right? Okay, what happened? Like, what was it that happened? Okay, the ideas, okay, are going to be like, all right, what's my idea of what was the result of what happened, right? Okay, so I know Abraham Lincoln as a person, right? I know the play, being at the play, is an event, right? Okay. Okay, so over here, okay, we've got John. Well, we say we have John Wilkes Booth over here. Okay. Lincoln's assassination was an event. Okay, and maybe there was some fear. That would be like what they felt, right? Okay. All right, I want you guys to go ahead and finish this up on your own. Okay, get these filled in, these 3 columns, and we will turn in page 200 today. Awesome, guys. Have a great weekend. I hope to see everybody back on Monday. Hope you guys are feeling well, doing well, happy, healthy, all that good stuff. Okay? All right, let me know if you need anything. Please reach out through Canvas.